let's look at 3a. Okay, now find the value of a. I want to find the value of a. I look at a. A is actually here, but before that, let us transfer all the question information inside. 50 is already there. A plus 10 is there. 1 -1 4 is there. 90 degree is there. Oh, the equation is not there. So can we add in the equation? PQ equation is 6y equals to 4x minus 20. All of you must have the habit to write all this down. Otherwise, you will have problem. Alright, because you don't know. Hey, they actually give you the gradient already, but you don't know. Okay. Now, so I want to find point A. So I use the red color pen. Can someone tell me what method do I use? I have method 1 to 6. Next person will tell us the method. Gerald, what is the method? So I look down the summary here. I have method 1 to 6. One method is used to find the value of A. What method is that? Oh, it's not here. Can I add in the method here? Can you put in method number 7 in the summary? Yeah, put in method number 7. There's one method called you sub in a point into the equation. So Gerald, this is the method. So can I demonstrate to you how do you sub in a point into an equation? Xinhui, better record. Must the point lie on the equation? It must. The point must lie on the equation. So it is not actually number 7. This is actually number 4. So it's actually use the gradient method. Now, Zahira, what gives you the hint of gradient method? You take note, you have the 90 degree here. So this 90 degree tell you the two lines, the gradient is -1. They multiply. They also have a point here. That means you can find the gradient of SP. That means you can find the gradient of SR. That means you can sub in the point. Okay? Now let's put all these words into action. First, let's find the gradient of SP. How to find gradient of SP? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So work quickly. The answer is -2/3. Then I ask myself, if the gradient is -2/3, can I find the gradient of SR? Yes, right? So the gradient of SR will be 3/2. Do I need to show working? Do you know how I can quickly come to that? No. I will add the minus sign and then I will swap the numerator and denominator. Or alternatively, I can write -2/3 times the gradient of SR equals to -1, right? So you take -1 divide by -2/3 in calculator, then it will give you 3/2. Is that okay? Yeah, so technically you just remove the negative, or if the original gradient got no negative, you add in the negative. Either way lah. Then you swap the top down, you will get the gradient. So once I get the gradient, how do I use the gradient formula to find out the A? So can you, Zahira, can you try? Gradient of SR, I also want Y2 minus Y1, right? So Y2 is A plus 10. A plus 10 minus what? 4 over A minus -1 equals to 3/2. Simplify, cross multiply, you will get the answer. So this way is to use the gradient method. So this is the Y2, this is the Y1, this is the X2, this is the X1. So gradient method is very useful to find when there's only one unknown. But gradient method is very terrible when R itself got two unknowns, like cannot find one, very difficult.
I use
Also can, but the gradient method is shorter. Why is it 3 over 2? Because, Rachel, do you agree the highlighted one? Do you agree this? Like M1 times M2 equals to -1. Agree? Agree. Can you press a calculator now? So, wrong. -1 divided by -2/3, right? Try again. Press divide, don't press a fraction key. -1 divide. Press the divide by -2/3. You will get 3/2. Do you see that, Rachel? Okay. Now, so 2a is done. 3a is done. I continue to go 3b, is it? Alright. Let's take a look at 3b. F is a point on the x-axis such that it lies perpendicular bisector of SR. Okay, I'm going to use a green color pen to indicate this. Can you locate point F for me in 1 minute? So if you underline the directly below Q, it means it is a line that is perpendicular down. That's a 90 degree. Do you follow? Okay, now perpendicular down means Q. Okay, never mind. Now next, perpendicular bisector of SR means I will take SR, I will draw a line that is perpendicular and then bisector.
Oh, bisector means I don't know what to mean
The last time we used compass, draw the up, then draw a line, then perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular means 90 degree. Bisector means half. Clear? Clear? So let's find F. So this is my F. So this part here I will use green color. So I will write out the steps. First step is I want to find equation of the green line. So in your exam, by the way, equation of cannot. So can you write down? Let the midpoint of SR be M. I use M. Then you can straight away label the M on the diagram. Is this your M? Yes, So now I want to find equation of MF or FM. Alright? So I want to find the equation. So what do you need? Number one, you need the gradient of MF. Number two, you need a point of on M to find the C. Alright? So can I put MF is actually parallel to SP, which means the gradient of MF is -2/3. See? That's the problem. Point M. X1 plus X2/2. So can you write down? -1 plus what? Comma 19/2, right? So I got a midpoint already. So I got a midpoint means can I sub in to find the equation? So can we work it out the point first? 4. 11.5. So now I start. Y equals to -2/3 x plus c, right? So I sub in 4, 11.5. So what is c? Can you help me? Irfan, what's the answer? Plus 85/6. So not done yet. I want to find f. F lies on where? X-axis. So x-axis means
0, y 0.
let y be 0, right? Let y be 0. I put in x equals to what? Do you get 21 and 1/4? Can you sub in the 0 into the equation? Try. Sub in the 0 into the equation.
Oh, okay.
Now I get f. So from here, f will be 21 and 1/4, comma 0. Okay. Right, let me continue. Can you write down to find point Q? Please write down. Can you write down F is directly below Q. Now, where do you find this sentence? This is in the question. Do you see that? Do you see that? Now, so I want you to understand what does F is directly below Q means. This means the x coordinate is the same, which means point Q will be 21 and 1/4, comma small q. Okay, I pause here to let you absorb. I never record. Oh dear. Yeah, so to find out point Q, use equation PQ, sub in the point Q into the equation. Alright, so try. So I will write down 6Q equals to 4, 21 and 1/4 minus 20. So what is Q, Matthew?
4/6.
2/3. Is that correct? You said 4/6, right? What 4/6? Really?
No, it's like the 4/6 times 21.
I don't know. Can you work out the calculator and tell me what is Q? Huh? 65/6.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is your Q lor, put into the Q. So now I look the overview, I have all the 4 coordinates. I have all the now so shoelace method start from anti-clockwise, but must I start from X? No need. I can start from Q. I can start from R. So as long as it's anti-clockwise and you repeat the first point, it is fine. Any questions? Otherwise, I stop the video. Yeah.